welcome back to my channel. So the last video we looked at doing rounding off of the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Alright, so today we're going to go a little bit deeper and we're going to look at rounding off to the nearest whole number. We're using the same principle of finding our target. So remember those. Step 1, find your target. And 2, we look at the digit to the right to decide if we're going to round up or remain. Alright? So let's quickly go through these. Now the first thing I want you to think about is what is a whole number, because that will help us in finding our target. Alright? So whole numbers are those numbers that it does not consist of a decimal. 1. 2, it's the positive set of natural numbers, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, those numbers that you count with, and also 0. Alright? So we're trying to get our numbers to be rounded off to that. And remember this sign from our last video, the approximation sign. Alright, nice. So our target is going to be the last digit in our whole number section, because what you must note is that that is our whole number section, and this side is our decimal. Alright? So the last digit, which is the ones place in our whole number section, is going to be our target. Now remember the next step, identify the target, then you look at digit to the right, and if that digit is 5 or more, we add 1 to our target. If it's less than 5, we keep the target as is. Alright, in this case, digit to the right is less than 5, so our final answer is simply 560. Let's try this one. What's our target? If you said 9, that's very correct. Alright, digit to the right, it's 5, so we're adding 1 to our target. So that's 1 plus 9 equals 10, so we're adding 1 right there, 0, so that's 70. Nice. So we're getting there. Find your target. It's as simple as that. Find your target, then look to the right. In this case, we're adding 1, so that's 1,238. Let's look at number 4. How do you think we'll do this one? What's our target? Very good. 0. Look to the right, rounding up or remaining. Yes, we're rounding up because this is 5 or more, the digit to the right, right? So that's 1 plus 0 equals 1. Very good. Now, this one. Target, 0. Look to the right. Are we adding 1 to our target? No, because it's less than 5. So our final answer is going to be 0. Very good. So let's just recap a little bit. Remember, the first step in any form of approximation is to find your target. And then you look at the digit to the right. And that digit to the right will tell you if you're going to add 1 to your target, meaning rounding up, or you're going to keep your target at as is if it's less than 5. Alright? Now, let's just quickly dive into some on your own. How would you approach those? Find your target. So find your target, look to the right. That's one we're obviously going to keep as is because digit to the right is less than 5, right? So that's 870. This one, find your target, look to the right, round up or remain, decide. 80. Find your target, look to the right, round up. Find your target, then look to the right. Target. No, it is as easy as those 2 simple steps. Thank you for watching. See you next time.